Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Musen Carbon Archery Arrows. Equipped with TPU rubber vanes. Keep a good balance and straight flight path when shooting. Have a good performance in various weather conditions in wild environment. Precision carbon arrow shafts. Extreme straightness and lightweight contributes to optimal accuracy in your hunting and target practice. Best choice for its solidness and durability. Removable field point is made of stainless steel. Perfect in anti-corrosion and target penetration. Screwed on 100 grain arrow tips are tight enough, and could be replaced according to your personal needs. The orientation of nocks is adjustable to fit for both compound bow and recurve bow. You only need a coin to rotate it easily. Our second best compound bow arrows is Tiger Archery Carbon Arrow. They are solid and well made. Precision carbon hunting arrows made for extended durability and long-lasting target practice. Colored plastic fletching make flight always pointed the right way. The tips are nickel-plated stainless steel, which is perfect for target practice and outdoor shooting. With replaceable nocks for free. Nocks are not fixed by glue. It can be adjustable for your bow. The arrows came extremely well packaged and the quality is also impeccable. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Pinel's Archery Carbon Arrows. In terms of consistency and accuracy, this arrow shaft weight is ±1 grain, straightness, weight and spine examined and sorted by machine, keep every shaft in minimum tolerance. Best choice for youth or adult practice or hunting. Shaft made by pure precision carbon and better construction, more stronger, hard to split even shoot on tree, best choice for youth or adult practice or hunting. Removable 100 grain points and extra 12 pieces insert, able to change arrows points to broadheads for hunting, include extra 12 pieces aluminum insert, convenient for you to use it after cutting the shaft length. Professional archery manufacturer, quality guaranteed, refund full if you are unsatisfied when received. No matter you are beginner or experienced, Pinel's arrows will help you hit the bullseye more easily. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Archery Charlie Carbon Arrows. Archery arrows fletched with 4-inch turkey feathers. The hunting arrows good for target practice and hunting. The nocks are glued, standard archery practice tips. Replacement tips to attach broadheads, points weight is 100 grain. The feather longbow arrows put in well packaged and the quality is very good. Durable lightweight carbon fiber shafts allow you to shoot straight and further. Low hand shock, high performance. Natural feather fletching for arrow balance. Perfect for beginners and whoever new to targeting and practice. Removable arrow tips with standard threaded. Perfect targeting arrows for recurve bow. Compound and long bows draw a weight of 35 to 50 pounds. Number 5 in our top 5 best compound bow arrows list is Luano Archery Carbon Arrow. They are solid and well made. The arrows put in well packaged and the quality is very good. The shaft and fletching is fluorescent, easy to find. Save time, save money and keep you in a good mood. 3 TPU vanes make flight always pointed the right way. The tips are nickel-plated stainless steel. The O-ring for locking the screw tip. Perfect for target practice and outdoor shooting. You can easily replace arrows as needed, such as broadheads. Nocks are not fixed by glue. It can be adjustable for your bow. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.